What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Johnson Outdoors. Today's May 3rd, 2024. We were supposed to do a cast and blast today. We didn't catch any fish out on the old Lexi Lou, but Missy put the hamper down on this big boy. That's not good.
Got him. Holy shit. Holy shit, man. Whew. Oh, man. Oh, man. Big bird.
What do you think?
Thank you, big boy. Woo. That was a long one. Look at this. Well, that's a nice one right there. That's the old bird. This is a good one, huh?
A lot of people use a knife for removing a turkey beard. That's not needed. What you do is you come up here to the base of the beard, hold tight, push against the breast, pops off just like a feather. Just like that. No borax needed. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the woods.